some helmets on because we're going to be doing a freaky and gross soda challenge.
Well, it might be gross and it might not be gross because you don't know what drinks I've got down here.
Because we got blindfolds and it's the first one to guess the right flavour and whoever guesses it will get to win a prize. And there's...
What prizes have you got then?
We've got Monster High. Whoa, minis, Kinder Joys. And there's this...
That's a gummy tape, that is, Tiana. What Tiana Rock sent you?
Yeah, so thank you, Tiana Hats. Yeah. And then we've got some Disney fashions.
So we're going to keep the scores on each round. I'm not quite sure how many rounds we'll play, but we'll see how we go.
And you've got a drinks as well in a bag.
Yeah? Oh, yes.
How many's in there?
I'm not going to tell you. So, yeah, so we're going to get started then, guys. So what we'll do, we'll use the blindfold. And that's when I'll put the drinks on your helmets. And then I'll put the straws into the drinks. And then you can take the blindfold down. And then it's the first person to tell me the flavour of the drink. If it's gross, it's gross. But try and guess the flavour. And you score a point. And then you get to choose the prize who scores the point first.
And this is the cup for the drinks. And then we got this 3 straws.
Well, you got
to put in the mouth. And then 2 off from the drink.
That's right. 2 go in the drinks. 2. See, I've got 2 there. And then you've got the straw underneath, and that's the one you drink from. Super cool. Shall we get started?
Bob the Builder.
Can we fix it? Bob the Builder. Yes, we can. Okay, girls. It's time to get these drinks onto your helmets. So, put your blindfolds down.
I'm a chick, I'm a cow.
Okay, guys, for you guys at home or wherever you are.
Yeah.
See that there, look, right there?
What?
Right there.
See what? See what? Where? See what?
Okay. Girls, listen to this. Okay, Tiana, first up.
But I won't taste any.
Don't taste. It's there. Right, so keep your blindfold. You look funny with that.
This is heavy.
You look funny with the blindfold on still in your helmet.
We need to keep our helmet straight.
Yes, you do, because it will spill.
I can smell it.
You can smell it. Okay, Isla.
It smells good. It smells.
Okay.
Oh my god, that's heavy. Ooh.
Okay, you alright? You comfortable?
Yeah.
Okay, girls. So, it's the first one to let me know the flavour. So, 3, 2, 1, go.
Lemonade, Coca-Cola.
Coca-Cola! Isla! Tiana got it wrong. 1 point to Isla. But you can get another point because there's another flavour in there. Taste.
Oh, where is it? Where is it?
There's another flavour as well. There's a flavour with the Coca-Cola. Can you taste the flavour?
Lemonade?
No. Tiana spilling all her drink.
Oh my god, I can't taste it.
No?
Okay. Is it orange juice?
No?
Okay.
No? Any more guesses before I tell you?
What?
It is. One more try? Vanilla.
It tastes weird. What's vanilla?
That's the flavour. So 1 point to Isla. Yes, because you're supposed to be drinking it. Round 1 to Isla. So now it's time to choose your prize.
Yes, your I'm going to choose Shopkins.
Shopkins it is. You can open it at the end of the video, yeah?
Yeah.
Round 2. So, here's the flavours for round 2 for everybody at home.
I hope I guessed them. I hope
Listen.
No, is that one of them glass, the tall glass?
It's glass, definitely. That's all you're getting to know. Okay, Tiana. Looking good. Chick, chick. Isla. Moo, moo.
Bob Builder, moo, moo.
Okay, girls, you ready?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1, taste. Oh,
Is this a big soda? Is this like a
Keep tasting, then you'll be able to find out the flavours. Isla, any ideas?
Is this like
Okay.
Is this Ribena?
Nope. Isla, any guesses? Nope. Isla?
I don't know.
Keep trying. Can't taste any flavour. Is it gross though? I can tell you that.
Yeah, it's gross.
Is it?
You can't taste any flavour. Is it Ribena? It tastes like. Is it strawberry Ribena?
Strawberry is a flavour. So that's 1 point, Tiana. Keep tasting, Isla.
It's gross.
Isla. Did you burp then?
No, look this.
So what do you think
I
then?
can taste the strawberry and I love strawberries. That's the only good thing I can taste.
Well, yeah, because you're strawberry, man, you love strawberry. So that's it then, you've given up then, Isla, on that round. So Tiana gets the point, so that's a point each.
I know what I'm choosing already.
Okay, let me tell you what you're tasting. Let me show you what you've been tasting. 1 second. Okay, so there's the 2 drinks what you tasted, Tiana, and the strawberry is on this one.
Yeah! And then this one's sweet corn.
Right there. And that's sweet corn. And you and that is monster mucus.
Oh!
Isla, you had kiwi and pineapple, bug bath, and peanut, butter, and jelly.
And I smell this. So I get to choose a prize.
So you get to choose a prize, Tiana.
Mine and you mix a cube.
Okay, so we'll save that till later.
What does bug taste?
Right, so now you can see what you've got. You want to have another taste?
Yes, and that prize there is Isla's.
Yes. So, do you want to have another taste, Tiana, to see which one is your favourite out of the 2 bottles? The bucket. You're looking at buckets down there, Tiana. That's disgusting.
That's horrible. Peanut butter and jelly.
Horrible, yeah?
This one's the best.
That one the best.
I like Monster Mucus. I like Bug Bath.
Okay, so the final round coming up, round 3.
Ew, that smells and sounds.
So there you go, guys. This is for round 3. Okay, girls. So this is round 3, yeah?
Yeah.
I think we'll do one more round after this, eh?
Yeah.
Okay. So you ready to taste?
Yeah.
Blindfolds down. 3, 2, 1, taste.
Fanta.
Wrong, 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 wrong. Keep tasting. Wrong, wrong, wrong.
Oh, Lucasade?
Wrong.
Oh, I've tried this before. I didn't know any.
Wrong, wrong.
Wait.
Come on then. What have you got?
Oh, I'm getting to it.
Mango.
Oh. Take it.
Tiana. Well done. So Tiana, you get to choose your prize. Come on then. Can you choose it while you're in a bit of a mess there? Oh, you got the gummy.
And this is from Tiana Hart. So thank you, Tiana Hart.
Okay, Isla's obviously enjoying the mango. So there you go for round 4.
Oh,
Whoop. Okay, girls, so I've just put your helmets on. You ready?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1, go! What can you taste? What can you taste? What can you taste?
Oh, I can kind of.
Was it that?
I'll hold it. And I can kind of taste Fanta or orange.
No? Isla, any guesses?
Wait. Oh, sweet apple.
Apple! There's another flavour.
Is it orange grape?
Nope, Isla's still got 1 point, so it's one more flavour. I'll give you 10 seconds to guess the last flavour. 10, 9, 8,
Mango?
7,
No.
6,
Is it
5. I'm going to give you some...
Banana.
What did you say?
Banana?
Nope.
Cherry.
No, but I'll tell you something. You can have it. I'm going to give you both a clue. Most people have it as a crumble.
Apple.
No, there's another crumble. What's
Pumpkin?
No.
Oh, cherry. No, not cherry. Raspberry.
No. 5, 4, 3, 2.
Blueberry.
No. Rhubarb.
I've had it.
That's it. Yeah, rhubarb. So.
I like rhubarb.
So that was 2 rounds each. Well done, girls. So Isla won that last round. So it's time to choose your prize. Enjoy. Okay. Opening time. Shopkins Halloween.
Yeah, and it's Halloween really, really soon. Yeah, it is basically. It's on Monday. Yeah.
So what have you got then?
Oh god, this bird. I got a cat.
Is that a duplicate?
This looks like a banana. This looks like a banana. And I got a super cat. What's this?
What have you got, Isla?
It looks like it's a glow in the dark or something. Wait,
Yeah,
I
it's
don't know. These are both duplicates, but it's mix around.
Yeah, you can mix and match them, can't you? My mini.
Is that a cat and that's which one's doing? Super hair. Okay. Right.
Kinder Joy. Oh, you
you
still got the other one, haven't you? The blind bag.
All of this. Do you like the new one? It's Jenny! Yeah! I've got that in a different colour. But it's not a glow. It's super on the top. Wait, are they going on the top?
I'm looking forward to seeing this. That's Gummy, isn't it? It's Gummy tape.
Right. Open time.
Right.
Open.
I'm excited to see this.
Food. What is gummy tape?
Yeah, Gummy tape.
I've never heard of gummy tape.
Nope.
Well, I've heard of gummy tape, but I've never.
Ooh,
It's
let's have a look
got
inside.
bugs in it.
Have a look
It's
inside.
got bugs in it. I didn't think they were real. No, they're not real.
Okay, so. Oh, freaky.
Oh, it's a
Oh.
Ew.
Let's have a look at some of the bugs, Tiana.
Let me open it all.
Oh wow, you hold one end then, yeah?
Wait, no, that isn't finished yet.
Oh, there's some more.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Okay. Oh.
Thank you, Tiana.
That is
This is
free.
super cool, but gross at the same time.
Let me get close up on
Some
these
there?
bugs.
Yeah. It's like, hey Steve.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh gosh.
Let's.
Something
Oh
with the
look,
camera
this
there.
is how they're a key ring. I'm gonna try some. Actually, this one didn't come. And try. Oh wait.
I'll tell you what I'm gonna
This changes
do.
colours. What? This changes from purple
Ugh.
to pink.
You tasted?
This changes from purple to pink.
Okay.
Yeah. What's that? So if you put it in water, it changes. This is really good. If you put it in cold water.
Oh, there we are. Look, so there's the bugs.
Oh, this is really,
Oh.
really nice.
I've got to taste.
Yeah.
Mmm.
I'll pull it off. Pull it off.
Yum, yum.
Yummy.
Kinder Joy is yummy as well.
Yeah, I was eating this. That's what you about.
Mmm. That is good, isn't it, Tiana?
Wait, this one's good. This is over my chin.
Yummy?
Wow, that was lots of fun, wasn't it? And that's all for today. Hope you enjoyed the gross book tape, but nice.
Yeah, gross looking.
And then the soda, yeah, gross looking. And then the soda drinks and all that. Drinks and then the hats was lots of fun.
Yeah,
I'm gonna use those. Yeah, building. And that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. I love you all. See you soon. Bye. Disgusting book tape, but nice.